Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all that comes around to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. Today I'm going to be making our popular breakfast meal called Akara. Akara is usually called like a bean bun, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I prepared the Akara. This is the beans. Like earlier you have seen the beans already washed, blended, and now I'm adding egg. I usually add egg to my beans. I have a chopped green pepper, onion, and I'm going to be adding it into the bean that is already blended. I'm adding my onion, my salt, and I just added chicken bouillon. So I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to give it a quick mix it very well so that everything can incorporate. And the egg that I added to it is going to help to bind everything together. I have oil in the pot. That is the oil that I'm going to use to fry the akara, and I will allow it to heat up a little. Now I'm testing if the oil is hot. You can see it's not quite hot, so I'm going to wait for the right temperature. That is a little piece I use to test if the oil is hot. So once the oil is hot, I will start scooping in the mixture of the beans into the oil. This process can also be baked, but usually we fry our akara. So this is the first batch that I started frying. I'm going to be doing this till the whole mixture is finished. I'm pressing it in to make sure that everything is well fried. Okay. This is what we usually use for breakfast in Nigeria. Those of you that came from Nigeria knows what I'm talking about. You can use this with pap, custard, bread. You can even eat it this like it is. So I'm frying the second batch. So the more you fry it and you see that the temperature of the oil is getting hotter, you can reduce the heat. Now the akara is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can notice that some of them are darker and in color, while some are light. This is it was done intentionally because my kids, some would like to eat the ones that are light, and you just do it in a way that will favor your family. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do not hesitate to like, share and subscribe if you are just coming across this channel. So this is how it looks inside with the green pepper and the onion. It was delicious. Thanks.